Hi guys, Uncle Pip here, and welcome to another edition to the Jeep Video Collection, or Jeep Things, or Jeep Stuff. It's Jeeps. Today I want to talk about the yellow Jeep. A friend of mine found it on Facebook Marketplace in December of 2017, and he shared it with me probably about 2 hours after it was posted for sale, and I called the seller immediately. Arranged for a day. A few friends and I went up and we looked at it, and I decided to buy it. Shortly after that, or about that same time frame, I also had bought the John Deere B, and I also had bought a brand new car at the time. And that car I could not afford, to be completely honest with you. So what I decided then, after the fact, was just to focus on paying off that car and not restore the Jeep right away. So again, that was in 2017. It is now 2022, and the Jeep is still not restored, but the car is paid off. So now that I have that payment done, all of the money I was spending before will now go into the yellow Jeep. It is a 1943 Ford GPW, and when I'm finished with it, I plan on having it completely OD green and painted to look like a United States Army Jeep from World War II, which it is. After the war, this particular Jeep was actually sold to the state of Oregon, where it was painted yellow and used as a state roads vehicle. That's why it's yellow. If you are familiar with Army Air Corps of World War II paint colors, they also had yellow Jeeps during World War II. However, the yellow paint on this Jeep is the wrong shade of yellow to be an Army Air Corps Jeep. So it is a state roads yellow from the state of Oregon, not an Army Air Corps yellow from World War II. It was sold outside of the state into civilian private hands in the 1970s, and it changed hands a few times between the 70s and 80s, and the man that I had bought it from had actually bought it in the state of Oregon, and he's the one that brought it here to the East Coast. So that's a little bit of the background as to this particular Jeep and where it came from and what my plans are. Originally, my thought process was get the correct tires, get the right tubes, and get rims all done first. And once I had good tires on it, with good rims on it, then I was going to focus on the brakes. And once the brakes and the tires are good, I was going to focus on the steering. Once I'm comfortable that it can start, stop, and drive effectively, I'll put it on the road. Now, you might have noticed there was an update video I posted a couple days ago. Actually, it was yesterday, as of me filming this. I don't know when this video is going to get out. But it was another rim update video. So let me give a little bit more description of what you're seeing there. I'm pretty excited about it. The yellow Jeep originally came with the combat rims, and that's what the original rim videos that I posted were about. That was me trying to fix the original combat rims. And as you could tell in those videos, I could not do it. I was on the marketplace looking around for more rims. I decided to buy CJ 2A rims for this project. It's not the same, but financially, that's the best decision for me. Down the road, I'm going to be looking for original combat rims to replace the CJ 2A rims with, but that's a future project. Right now I want to get it on the road. Well, while on Marketplace, I found a wonderful person who also is into Jeeps, and he actually traded me my busted combat rims, all four of them, for a set of 3 CJ 2A rims. And those are the rims that you see me using throughout the update video that just posted. So I'm pretty excited about that. I have new NDT or non-directional tires all ready. I already have tubes ready, and I'm going to go home now and actually finish putting the second and third coats of paint on the rims. Of course, you know the CJ2A that I bought previously on this channel. I bought those for the 2 rims, so I already have those 2. Now with the additional 3, that makes a complete set of 5. I have 1 spare. And I ordered the brake parts. The brake parts arrived, and I'm going out of town tomorrow. So when I come back from my trip, I'm going to put the brakes on. And then I'm putting my brand new tires on the freshly painted rims. And I also bought the parts to rebuild the steering box, so I'm going to get that done at the same time I do the brakes, at the same time I'm putting the rims on. There's going to be videos about all this too, of course, and I might be on the road by the end of June, June of 2022, maybe. My goal is July the 4th, but if I can go a little sooner, we'll be good. So that's a little bit more of the details. Once I get it on the road, then I'm going to fix some of the rust and kind of go from there. Once I get the rust fixed, I do want to have it painted. I want to buy a new windshield. It needs new glass, a new inner windshield. The outer windshield frame itself is actually bent. I'm going to try to fix that. And again, all of this is kind of minor stuff though. It's stuff that we're going to be able to fix as we go along. Obviously I'm going to need new seat cushions too. And a rear seat. I don't have the back seats yet. So there's, a lot of things that are falling into place, but that's all I know about it. I hope you like this video. Hope you're enjoying watching me struggle some. And I'm hoping to also post a video of my trip that I'm taking tomorrow, so that should be out at some point by the end of the month too. So, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to make a video based on your comments if you want some. If you want more tractor stuff, let me know. If you want more Jeep stuff, let me know. And hopefully soon you'll see videos of me driving the Jeep through town or going on trips. Let's go ahead and start it up and go for a ride. That is a big turtle. Let's get closer. Notice how he's getting scared. He's going in a shell. I think that's going to wrap me up today. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.